That's mine! So I've been riding for about 3 hours now, and I'm finally out of Hanoi. It took me 2 weeks, but I made it, and I am now finally greeted by some actual nice scenery. Most of the scenery just outside of Hanoi, the suburbs of Hanoi, are not that pretty, but I'm seeing some mountains now. Seeing some real nice mountains. People love to use their horns here, especially buses. They just go so fast and just lean on the horn. Hour 4 of motorcycling outside of Hanoi. It's been amazing. It's been one of the best days of my entire life. The scenery is incredible. I, of course, didn't film any of it because it's hard to film when you're riding a motorcycle. I am now just sitting in a coffee shop because Vietnam is filled with coffee shops and they have very, very good coffee. I'm having a blast so far. Beautiful waterfall at the side of the road. Just came upon it randomly. And over there, probably more waterfalls. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, sorry. Do I look cool? Do I look cool now? This visor's nice, but I can't see shit out of it. So it's pointless. It's utterly fucking pointless. So I have to ride like this. A, look like a dumbass, and B, wet as hell because it's kind of raining. Oh well. So, here I am in yet another beautiful rice paddy. I just love rice paddies. I think they are beautiful. I've got mountains in the foreground and in the distance. This is a beautiful road. I have no fucking clue what it's called, if it even has a name. There are very, very few people on it. People don't seem to even know why I'm here. I just stopped for gas at a little tiny village, and they said, no gas, or they didn't say that. They just, you know, mimed it. And a little kid on a bike was like, and he was like, follow me. Again, he didn't say it, but he mimed it. So I follow him down the road, and he brings me to a store. A lady comes out, I point to my gas tank, she's like, yeah. She brings out a plastic bottle with some gas in it, puts it in, charged me next to nothing for it. This drive has been incredible. I love it. It's so beautiful. There's a horse over there. Where's that horse? Where is he? There he is. You see that horse? It's the first horse I've seen. You see water buffalo, you see tons of like dogs and lots of water buffalo. That's the first horse. Interesting. This is beautiful. It's probably not gonna come out in video, but this is absolutely gorgeous. And this is day 1. I'm so excited for this trip.